Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the environment. Choose an Elementor-compatible page template like full width or canvas so the builder controls spacing. Next, open the section settings and inspect padding and margin values. Often a stray 20 or 40 px is the culprit. Once done, set both padding and margin to 0 to see immediate change. If site-wide gaps persist, check Elementor site settings layout for global content width and container padding before moving to element-level fixes. Now you dig into the middle layers. Inspect columns and widgets because nested padding or a column gap often creates the white band. Use the browser inspector to spot inherited CSS or important rules forcing spacing, then override them in Custom CSS or the Advanced tab. Once done, test negative margins carefully to pull elements together. Alternatively, set overflow hidden on the parent to collapse unwanted gaps. Make sure responsive settings aren't adding spacing at certain breakpoints. Finish by clearing all caches and regenerating Elementor CSS so your changes take effect. Caching often hides the fix. Then verify tablet and mobile breakpoints and adjust device-specific padding or margin where needed. If spacing still appears, temporarily switch to a default theme to determine if the theme adds global padding. One key troubleshooting tip: add a simple debug CSS like *outline, 1px-RGBA 255.0.0. 2. To reveal hidden gaps, remove it after you identify the source.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.